Hey everyone, is your HP OfficeJet 3830 suddenly refusing to print? The reason for the error could be an outdated printer driver, a change in your settings, or a corrupted print job blocking the queue. Don't worry, I'm gonna walk you through a few quick methods to get it printing again. Stick with me and we'll take care of it step by step. Method 1. Set printer as default printer. Go to your computer and click on the Start menu. Now, search for Printers and Scanners and click on Open. Scroll down to the option that says Let Windows manage my default printer and uncheck the box. Next, scroll back up, find your HP printer from the list of available printers and click on Manage. Finally, select the Set as Default option. If your HP OfficeJet 3830 still isn't printing, let's perform a manual reset. Method 2. Reset your printer manually. First, make sure your OfficeJet 3830 is turned on. Next, make sure your printer's power cord is plugged directly into a wall outlet, not into a power strip. Now, remove the power cord while the printer is on. Then, remove the other end of the cable from the wall outlet. Wait at least 1 full minute. This helps reset the printer's power. After 1 minute, plug the power cable back into the outlet and then into the printer. Finally, press the power button to turn your printer back on. Alright, if your HP OfficeJet 3830 still isn't printing, the next step is to make sure your printer driver is up to date. An outdated driver can cause all sorts of printing problems. Let me show you how to update it through Device Manager. Method 3. Update printer driver via Device Manager. First, click on the Start menu, type Device Manager and open it. In the Device Manager window, find and expand the Print Queues section. Now, find your printer in the list, right-click on it and select Update Driver. In the Update Drivers window, choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will then check for the latest updates and install them for you. If your printer is still not printing, don't worry, just follow the last method to cancel the printer jobs. Method 4. Delete all print jobs. On your computer, double-click the printer icon in the bottom right corner of the taskbar. Please note that if you don't find the printer icon, click the small arrow to see hidden icons. In the new window, right-click on any pending HP print job and select the Cancel from the list of actions. When the confirmation box pops up, click on Yes to confirm. Please note that. Also, make sure to cancel each pending print job one by one. If you like our content, give us a like. And if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.